On reorganization of leadership, it is our hope that the media fraternity and Kenyans at large recall that at our last meeting, we recognized the resolutions of our affiliate party, Jubilee, reached at the party's special national delegates convention, including the change of leadership. We said those changes must be taken as final and must be respected and enforced by the office of the Registrar of Political Parties. In furtherance of those resolutions by Jubilee NDC, Azimio has today settled on the Honorable Mark Mwenje, the MP for Embakasi West, as the Deputy Minority Whip of the National Assembly. Honorable Mwenje will be taking up the position that was left vacant upon the removal of the Honorable Sabina Chege. We recognize Honorable Mwenje as a committed, consistent, energetic, and youthful fighter who has shown the will to stand up for the people and the party. We have no doubt that he will prove equal to the task. We reiterate that Azimio will do everything possible to protect affiliate parties from heinous attacks emanating from the Kenya Kwanza regime. We will do whatever it takes to protect multi-party democracy, for which many Kenyans lost their lives.